This dance is called Train Wreck. It's a 48 count, 2 wall, high improver level line dance with 3 tags. Starting on the right foot, stomp the right forward, stomp the left beside the right. Monterey quarter turn, pointing the right to the side, quarter turn right, you step the right beside the left, touch, point the left to the side, step the left beside the right. Touch the right heel forward, hook the right over the left, heel hook. That set of steps once more then. Stomp off on the right. 7, 8, stomp, stomp, Monterey, turn, heel, hook. Step the right forward, touch the left behind the right, step back on the left, kick the right forward. Go back on a right back lock step, back, lock, back, hold. That set of steps once more then, step, touch off on the right. 7, 8, step, touch, back, kick, back, lock, back, hold. Let's add that to the top. Stomps off on the right. 7, 8, stomp, stomp, Monterey, turn, heel, hook, step, touch, back, kick, back, lock, back, hold. Into a mambo half turn backwards. So you're going to rock back on the left, recover your weight on the right, make half a turn right as you step back on that left. So mambo half, and walk back mambo half, then hold. Rock back on the right, recover your weight on the left, make a quarter turn left as you step the right to the side, hold. That set of steps once more then, back mambo half off on the left. 7, 8, mambo half, hold, back, rock, turn, hold. Add that to the top. Stomps off on the right. 7, 8, stomp, stomp, Monterey, turn, heel, hook, step, touch, back, kick, back, lock, back, hold, mambo, half, hold, back, rock, turn, hold. Rock back on the left, recover your weight on the right, take a big step to the left, hold. Rock back on the right, recover your weight on the left, big step to the right, hold. That set of steps once more then, back rock, side, off on the left. 7, 8, back, rock, side, hold, back, rock, side, hold. Let's add that to the top. Stomps off on the right. 7, 8, stomp, stomp, Monterey, turn, heel, hook, step, touch, back, kick, back, lock, back, hold, mambo, half, hold, back, rock, turn, hold, back, rock, side, hold, back, rock, side, hold. Into a little weave. So you're going to cross the left behind the right, step the right to the side, cross the left over the right, sweep the right forward. Cross the right over the left, step the left to the side, cross the right behind, sweep the left back. So 2 weaves with some sweeps. That set of steps once more then, weaving to the right, left foot leads. 7, 8, behind, side, cross, sweep, cross, side, behind, sweep. Let's add that to the top. Stomps off on the right. 7, 8, stomp, stomp, Monterey, turn, heel, hook, step, touch, back, kick, back, lock, back, hold, mambo, half, hold, back, rock, turn, hold, back, rock, side, hold, back, rock, side, hold, behind, side, cross, sweep, cross, side, behind, sweep. Cross the left behind the right, step the right to the side, step forward on the left, hold, and then add on a rocking chair, right foot leading. Rock forward, recover, rock back, recover. That set of steps once more then, behind side step off on the left. 7, 8, behind side step, hold, rocking chair. End of the dance when we get to that point, let's put it all together. Stomps off on the right. 7, 8, stomp, stomp, Monterey, turn, heel, hook, step, touch, back, kick, back, lock, back, hold, mambo, half, hold, back, rock, turn, hold, back, rock, side, hold, back, rock, side, hold, behind, side, cross, sweep, cross, side, behind, sweep, behind, side, step, hold, rocking chair. So that's your dance, and there's not an and count in sight. So no point going through the counts, but it is a 2-wall dance. So let's have a go at the back wall, and we'll keep going when we get back to the front, so you can see how the walls join together. And I might just speed it up just a little bit when we get back to the front wall. Stomps off on the right. 7, 8, stomp, stomp, Monterey, turn, heel, hook, step, touch, back, kick, back, lock, back, hold, mambo, half, hold, back, rock, turn, hold, back, rock, side, hold, back, rock, side, hold, behind, side, cross, sweep, cross, side, behind, sweep, behind, side, step, hold, rocking chair. Stomp, stomp, Monterey, turn, heel, hook, step, touch, back, kick, back, lock, back, mambo, half, back, rock, turn, back, rock, side, behind, side, cross, side, behind, sweep, behind, side, step, rocking chair. So that is your dance. Now there are 3 little tags, well not quite so little tags, in this dance. They come at the ends of walls 1, 3 and 7. Walls 1, 3 and 7 are your front wall. You will actually be facing 6 o'clock when you come to add the tag. But I'll show you the tag to start with, facing 12. So you're going to do heel grinds to start with. So you're going to grind your right heel to make a quarter of a turn to the right. As you recover, step the left to the side. Then rock back on the right, recover your weight on the left. And repeat. Heel grind, making that quarter turn to the right, stepping that left to the side as you recover, rock back on the right and recover. That's the first half of the tag. Just do that once more. Heel grind, off on that right. 7, 8, heel, grind, back, rock, heel, grind, back, rock. Go forward on a step, lock, step, right foot leading, step, lock, step, hold, and add on a chase half turn. So we step forward on the left, pivot half a turn to the right, step forward on the left, hold. That set of steps once more then. Step lock off on the right. 7, 8, step, lock, step, hold, step, pivot, step, hold. Let's add those 2 together. That is the tag. Heel grinds off on the right. 7, 8, heel grind, back, rock, heel grind, back, rock, step, lock, step, hold, step, pivot, step, hold. Now in this tag, you are effectively doing a full turn. So there's 2 quarter heel grinds to the right, and then you do that chase half turn at the end of the second section of the tag. Should you need to try and adjust that tag so you take that full turn element out, what you can do your heel grinds, but don't turn. So you do a heel, grind, back, rock, heel, grind, back, rock. So you will now be facing the opposite way to everybody else, but they'll soon catch up with you. Then go on a back lock step, right foot leading, back, lock, back, hold. Then just rock back on the left, recover your weight on the right, step forward on the left, hold. So that is your non-turning steps. Heel, grind, back, rock, heel, grind, back, rock, back, lock, back, hold, back, rock, step, hold. Should you need to take that turn out. So like I said, the tag is actually down facing 6 o'clock, so let's have a go at it facing 6 o'clock. It's all single count timing, the same as the rest of the dance. There we go, heel grind, quarter turn, off on the right. 7, 8, heel grind, back, rock, heel grind, back, rock, step, lock, step, hold, step, pivot, step, hold. So it goes at the ends of walls 1, 3 and 7. Let's have a go at wall 1, add on the tag and restart the dance so you can see how it fits in. Stomps off on the right. 7, 8, stomp, stomp, Monterey, turn, heel, hook, step, touch, back, kick, back, lock, back, hold, mambo, half, hold, back, rock, turn, hold, back, rock, side, hold, back, rock, side, hold, behind, side, cross, sweep, cross, side, behind, side, step, hold, rocking chair, tag, heel, grind, back, rock, heel, grind, back, rock, step, rock, step, hold, step, pivot, step, hold. Start again, stomp, stomp, Monterey, turn, heel, hook. So hopefully you can see how that tag fits in. So it's ends of walls 1, 3 and 7. You will always be facing 6 o'clock when you do the tag. So that's it. That is your dance, it's your walkthrough, it's your tag information. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. Stop, stop, Monterey, turn, heel, hook, step, touch, back, kick, back, off, back, mambo, half, mambo, chain, back, rock, side, behind, side, cross, side, behind, side, step, rocking chair, tag, heel grind, back, rock, heel grind, back, rock, step, step, in, step, stop, stop, catch, raise, heel, hook, step, touch, back, kick, back, rock, back, mambo, half, back, rock, turn, side, cross, side, behind, side, step, rocking chair, stomps, step, touch, mambo, back rock, groove, behind side, tag, heel grind, back rock, heel grind, back rock, step, pin, step, stomps, numbers, back rock, weave, behind side,
turn off the light, went off and left me, and it just ain't right.
So next tag wall.
But I can't let go. Yeah, it comes round every corner, something I see brings it right back like it used to be.
Tag.
I know, but I can't let it go. You won't take me back when I come around. Says it's sorry, then it puts me out. I got a big it's over, but I can't let it go. Well, now it's over, I know it, but I can't let
Hope you managed that one.